guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, if you're watching this, you're probably interested in how to create the perfect unicorn head every single time you paint it. So I'm using my second favorite white. So Wolfe is my favorite white of all time, and I cannot find it in stock anywhere. So if you guys know where I can find it in stock somewhere, can you let me know down below in the comments? I would greatly appreciate it. So we're going to start with our brush straight up and down, and we're going to do a teardrop, okay? Don't worry about the opacity of that, just get the shape, okay? So from the top of that teardrop, we are going to come down. So this will be like the top of the unicorn head. So we are going to come down and do half a one-stroke weave. Let me do that again. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then right here, we're going to do a backwards C. Okay, just like that. And then you're going to line up the bottom of that just like that, and then fill it in. And I'm going to come on the back of the head right here and swoop it back. It's like a backwards S. And fill that in. Okay, now for the ears. Super simple way to do it. Just come up top, draw a line coming down, and then swoop it in. Okay, and then I'm also going to do another ear. So my white is nice and loaded on my brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the top of the unicorn horn and work my way down. Okay, so I hope you guys can see this. So I'm going to tap, push, and I'm just going to start right next to it. Tap, push, tap, push, tap, push. Just make it a little bit bigger up there. So you can see it already looks like it's got swirls in it just by doing the tap, push, tap, push, tap, push. So this one stroke cake is by Venice by Global. So it's called Venice by Global. And I'm just going to pick up that teal right there. Come down. So this is how I like to do my hair. So I start up at the back. I'm just going to do a couple strokes here. I'm going to go like that. And then I'm going to flip it around and go like that. Okay? So it's a little muddy, so I'm going to actually pick up a little bit more paint and we'll just redo that stroke. So if you guys aren't familiar with one stroke, it can be very forgiving at times. You can usually go over the same spot a couple times to clean up anything that you feel like you messed up on. Okay, so we're gonna do the eye now. Okay, so my camera stopped recording, and for some reason it stops recording right at like a certain time limit, and I didn't catch it. Oh well, but you guys can see the finished product. And so what I did is, after it stopped recording, I just came in and I finished outlining the hair. I added some highlights, some dots, some starbursts, and to kind of take my design from here to here, I added some liquid bling. So that is it, and I will also do the breakdown of the way I did the unicorn head in just a few seconds. So keep on watching.